focusing on your teaching. I am focusing on the birds outside in the trees or the monkeys, or I'm daydreaming about going to a nice place later on in the year. I am going to show my power by not respecting and focusing on the lesson. I am going to change the environment by disappearing from it. Okay. Could I please have a volunteer who would do that? Ditchin, would you please act that way? Okay, thank you. So Ditchin is going to be daydreaming out the window. Go ahead and do that, Ditchin. Ditchin is not involved with my lesson. She could care less what I'm saying, right? So, teacher always has two ways to address any misbehavior. There is a direct way, and then there is a way of working with that negative energy and actually, at best, using that negative energy to benefit the class. And if you can't get that effective, then at least to remove the negative impact of that behavior on the class. So I will first respond directly. So Daichin is daydreaming out the window. And I notice it, and I go, Daichin, you're not here with me. Okay? Direct intervention. Hey, Daichin, I know it's beautiful outside, but could you please pay attention to the lesson that I'm teaching? We only have about 15, 20 minutes more. Would you please pay attention, take notes, because this stuff's going to be important when you teach. Okay? So that's a direct intervention. Daichin knows exactly what I am seeing and what I'm asking for from her. Now, she is exceptionally helpful in giving that example and showing what that example looks like. But that is a direct way of addressing the misbehavior. An indirect way of addressing dysfunctional rebellion that is looking out the window is I might say, Daichin, could I ask you for some help, please? Could you come up here and help me, please? Daichin, could you please draw an animal around this, this, and this? Whatever animal you would like to draw will work great. What I'm doing there, you guys, is I'm taking the student's power and I'm asking her to use it in a competent way. I'm incorporating that power into the lesson so that when she wants to say, I want to be doing something different, Mr. Liu, I don't really feel like listening to your lecture, I invite her to participate in the learning in an active way, which means it changes her physical environment, she's now up at the board, and her emotional environment. She's feeling like she has something she can do. That is one way of addressing power struggles and rebellion in a classroom. Now, when I say, Daichin, that is an amazingly well-drawn fish, which goal am I helping her? Which one? Recognition, absolutely.